Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Financial Toke. Most people do invest for retirement, but very few people make the right decision. Most people believe that as long as they save some money, open any retirement account and keep investing, everything will work out. But the real truth is very different. Whenever retirement planning is discussed, two names come up again and again: IRA and Roth IRA. People hear these names, but they do not truly understand them. And this lack of understanding is where the biggest mistake happens. Because choosing the wrong option between IRA and Roth IRA can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars by the time you retire. In this video, we will start from absolute zero and understand everything step by step. What IRA and Roth IRA really are, how the tax system actually works, which account is suitable for whom, and finally, which one truly makes you richer by retirement. Watch this video till the very end because it can completely change the way you think about retirement planning. Good. Part 1. What is an IRA? First, let's understand what an IRA actually is. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. It is a special account created by the US government to encourage people to save and invest for retirement. Now let's talk specifically about the traditional IRA. In a traditional IRA, the money you invest gives you a tax benefit today. Here is how it works. You earn income. You invest part of that income into a traditional IRA, and the government allows you to avoid paying tax on that amount right now. Your money then continues to grow year after year inside the account. But here is the important detail. This money is not tax-free. It is tax-deferred, which simply means no tax today, tax later. When you retire and start withdrawing money, that is when the government takes in the form of taxes. This delayed tax system is the foundation of the traditional IRA MPCP to what is a Roth IRA. Now let's move to the Roth IRA. A Roth IRA works on the opposite principle here. You pay taxes first and then you invest. In simple terms, you earn income, you pay taxes on that income, you invest the remaining money into a Roth IRA, your investments grow over the years, and during retirement, you pay zero tax on withdrawals. Yes, absolutely no tax. This is why Roth IRA is often called a tax-free retirement account. However, paying taxes today is not easy for everyone. That is why Roth IRA is powerful, but it is not automatically perfect for every person. For Part 3, Detailed Comparison, now let's compare both accounts in greater detail. First, the tax difference. With a traditional IRA, you save taxes today, but pay taxes in the future. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes today but enjoy tax-free income in retirement. Second, withdrawals after retirement. Money withdrawn from a traditional IRA is treated as taxable income. Money withdrawn from a Roth IRA is completely yours, with no tax attached. Third, required minimum distributions. Traditional IRAs force you to withdraw money after the age of 73, whether you need it or not. Roth IRAs have no such requirement during your lifetime. And finally, peace of mind. One of the biggest benefits of a Roth IRA is not just financial, it is mental peace. You know that whatever balance you see belongs entirely to you. Part 4, real-life example. Now let's take a real-life example. Assume you start investing at the age of 25. You invest $6,500 every year for 30 years. Your total contribution becomes $195,000. Now assume the market gives you an average return of 8 to 10%. After 30 years, your investment grows to roughly $1 million. Now the real difference appears. In a traditional IRA, you start withdrawing money. Assume your tax rate is 25%. The government takes $250,000. You are left with $750,000. Now the Roth IRA scenario. You withdraw the money. No tax, no deductions. You keep the full $1 million. Same investment, same returns, but a completely different retirement lifestyle. And Part 5. Which makes you richer? So now comes the most important question. Which account actually makes you richer? The honest answer is, it depends on you. Traditional IRA may be better if you earn a high income today, if you are currently in a high tax bracket, and if you believe your taxes will be lower in retirement. Roth IRA may be better if you are young, if your income is likely to increase in the future, and if you believe tax rates will rise over time. For most young investors, Roth IRA turns out to be more powerful in the long run because historically taxes tend to go up, not down. Sign, 7, no, MAIND, Part 6, Common Mistakes. Now let's talk about the most expensive mistakes people make. They delay investing. They wait for the perfect time. They choose accounts without understanding taxes. They withdraw money early. They pay penalties and unnecessary Remember this, retirement planning is not a single decision. It is a long-term process, and small mistakes can become very expensive over time. Holes, Part 7 Smart Strategy. The smartest investors do not depend on just one account. They use both. Some money in a traditional IRA, some money in a Roth IRA. This gives them tax control, withdrawal flexibility, and protection against future tax increases. This strategy is known as tax diversification, final consolation, and CTA. So the final question remains, IRA, or Roth IRA, which one makes you richer by retirement? The answer is the right decision at the right time. Saving taxes today may feel good, but tax-free income in retirement can completely change your life. If this video taught you even one new thing, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to secure their future. Because the earlier you start planning for retirement, the more powerful your